Hey guys, I just want to shoot this quick video. I was thinking about it today, and so many people, they just go out and they try to build their business and grow clients. Oh, by the way, say hi to everybody. We're doing an event right now, right? So everybody's in. So they go out, they try to get clients, but they never really think about what they're doing. So if I think about this, I'm gonna draw this out on a little axis here. So we've got two different axes here, you can see. One of them is time, and then one of them is how much value you're providing to the client. So if you're going out, you're trying to get clients, you always wanna be thinking, okay, like, really, what am I doing? And what am I currently providing to my clients? What do I want to be providing to my clients? How can I think the biggest problem most people have is they're just not providing enough value. So I'm always thinking, how can I provide more value? But I also want to do it in less time. So there's all sorts of things, particularly if you're an accountant. Like if you're an accountant and you're not providing a lot of value, but what you're doing takes a lot of time, you're probably doing accounts payable, right? That's not good. We don't want to be doing in there, clicking the little, okay, pay this, pay that. It's something that, look, the client, it needs to get done. Somebody needs to do it, but do we really need to do it? Do we really need to be the ones doing it? So that's something that, really takes a lot of time, not a lot of value. Now, there's some things that require, that provide a lot of value and still take a lot of time, like some forms of CFO services do. But we want to ask a question of what can we do that would provide a lot of value and not take us a lot of time. And we're always hunting for different services and different solutions and different niches and markets where we can provide that type of service. So if you're currently providing that and you've got something that you think falls into this category, or if you want to know more about it, go ahead and check out our website, accountingtax.com, and I'll talk to you guys soon.